Welcome back to our channel, Take 2. Today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to fix TikTok photo site not working. So you just post just four photos in the TikTok and the swipe option is not working. To fix it, how you can do it, let me teach you a very easy step. And if you have any problems or any queries within the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's just get started. So first thing first, just check your internet connection. That might be a problem as well. Second thing, what you need to do is just go to your Google Play Store, and then from there just go to TikTok like this, and just check if there is any updates. Just update it. And then another thing what you can do is just go to TikTok again, go to three lines, go to settings and privacy, and then a bit down you will find this free up space. Go with it, and over here just clear the cache memory, and then the problem might be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel, and also hit the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I will see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.